I mean, we hear about it all the time. It's the go-to software for plumbers, electricians, HVAC techs, and pretty much anyone who makes house calls. But how many people are actually using it? Is it a giant, industry-dominating behemoth? Or is it more of a niche player? Let's dive in and find out. First off, what is Housecall Pro? It's a software platform designed to help home service businesses manage their operations. Think scheduling appointments, dispatching technicians, managing customer information, and even sending out invoices. It's like a digital command center for service pros. So, how many people are using this digital command center? Well, that's where things get a bit tricky. Housecall Pro, like many private companies, isn't exactly shouting its customer numbers from the rooftops. They'll happily tell you about their features, their benefits, and how amazing their software is. But exact user figures? Not so much. But we can do some detective work. Let's start with what we do know. Housecall Pro claims to serve over 25,000 home service businesses. That's a pretty impressive number, right? But is it the whole picture? Consider this. Each of those 25,000 businesses likely has multiple users. You've got the owners, the office staff, and the technicians out in the field. So, while we know the number of businesses, the actual number of people using the software is probably significantly higher. Let's also consider the growth of the home service industry. It's booming. More and more people are relying on professionals to fix their homes. This means more and more businesses are popping up, and many of them are likely turning to software like Housecall Pro to help them manage their operations. So, while we can't give you a precise number, it's safe to say that Housecall Pro has a pretty substantial user base. It's a platform that's become essential for many home service businesses, and that number is only going to grow. But here's the thing, it's not just about the numbers. What really matters is how Housecall Pro is impacting those businesses. Are they saving time? Are they making more money? Are they happier? Those are the real metrics of success. And based on what we hear from users, the answer to those questions is often a resounding yes. Housecall Pro seems to be making a real difference in the lives of countless service professionals. So, while we might not have a definitive answer to the question, how many customers does Housecall Pro have? We can confidently say that it's a platform with a significant impact on the home service industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.